RBI tighten norms for housing finance companies aligning with NBFC regulations. HFCs now will be treated as normal NBFCs. See, why HFCs were little different than NBFCs? In NBFCs are very risky. They get loans for short term, okay, they get funding for short term, but they lend for longer years, right? So it is a risky affair. And in NBFCs, they lend, normally they tend to lend to the people, those who are not in the normal banking sector. That means to a risky set of people, they give a loan. So they run a very risky business. But as far as housing finance companies are concerned, they give loan in secured areas to the home loan where the NPA ratio is a little lesser. Even if there are NPAs, there are remedies available like SARFAESI. They can confiscate the entire property and sell it. Okay. So now, but they say the Reserve Bank of India say no. NBFC, HFC are same for me. Ceiling on public deposit reduced from three times to 1.5 times of net owned fund. Now they can arrange public deposit worth 1.5 times of their net owned fund. Maximum this much public deposit they can arrange. There are NBFCs who take time deposit. NBFCs don't take demand deposit, you all know. Why they don't take demand deposit? Because they are not allowed to deal with checks. They are not allowed to deal with instant repayment as and when customer needs the money. Okay, so that's why current account, savings account are not opened in a NBFC. You can open a FD account in a NBFC. The deposit tenor maximum period for deposits is reduced to 120 months, 10 years to 60 months. Okay, so this now creates another difference between a bank. What is the maximum period for which you can keep a term deposit in banking system? Normally बैंकिंग सिस्टम में कितने सालों तक आप अपना एफडी रख सकते हैं या फिर आरडी कर सकते हैं? कितने सालों तक आप कर सकते हैं बताइए? देखिए ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट, इस बार सर्कुलर्स नहीं थे मगर बहुत कुछ सीखने को आपको मिल रहा है, इसलिए मैं हमेशा बोलता हूँ आपको आरबीआई सर्कुलर्स आर दी बाइबल। अगर आपने समझ लिया एक एक पॉइंट में, एक एक स्लाइड से बहुत कुछ आपको अंडरस्टैंडिंग मिल सकता है। यू नीड टू रीड बिटवीन द लाइन्स। जैसे मैंने आपको CRAR का फॉर्मूला बताया, रिस्क वेटेड एसेट्स का, बहुत कुछ है, राइट? बताइए नॉर्मली फॉर हाउ मेनी डेज यू कैन, यस, NBFCs can keep it now for 5 years. Earlier HFC were allowed to take it, to keep it for 10 years, but now they are also similar with NBFC. Getting? Then you can renewal after 10 years. Liquid asset requirements increased from 13% to 15% of public deposits, implemented in a phased manner. Okay, 14% by January 1st, 2025 and 15% by July 1st, 2025. They have to keep 15% of the public deposit in a liquid manner because maybe customer needs fund immediately. They have to keep liquid cash worth 15% of the total public deposit they have accumulated. Getting my point? Getting my point? Are you all enjoying it? Are you all enjoying it? इसी बात पर जिन लोगों ने लाइक नहीं किया है लाइक कर दीजिए, मजा आता है। कुछ मिलता नहीं है बट मजा आता है। आप लाइक करते हैं तो पता चलता है कि हाँ क्लास में कुछ दम है, ठीक है। तो stringent prudential parameters, alternate funding, credit rating, leeway of risk management, ये सब छोड़ दीजिए, ये सब बहुत हाई फाई लैंग्वेज हो रहा है, आपके लेवल के एग्जाम के लिए आएगा। बट आप अगर स्केल 4, स्केल 5, स्केल RBI के प्रमोशन एग्जाम मेरे साथ पढ़ रहे हैं इंटर, तो आप जाके पढ़ सकते, जैसे इंटरनल प्रमोशनल का से कवर कर, ठीक है। नेक्स्ट, RBI अपडेट्स e-mandate framework to include auto replenishment और फास्टैग एंड NC। मतलब आपका पैसा ड्राई डाउन हो रहा है NBFC फास्टैग में, तो वो ऑटो रिफिल करने लगेगा वॉलेट से, जैसे आपके बाकी जगहों पे होता है, ठीक है। रिजर्व बैंक ऑफ इंडिया हैज अपडेटेड ई-मैंडेट फ्रेमवर्क टू इंक्लूड द ऑटो रिप्लेनिशमेंट फास्टैग एंड नेशनल कॉमन मोबिलिटी कार्ड NCC बैलेंस से। ठीक है, मतलब आपका पैसा खत्म हो जा रहा है, आपने 1000 रुपये डाला था फास्टैग में, खत्म होकर 100 रुपये आ गए। पता नहीं आप क्या करते हो, कार लेके जाते हो, फास्टैग के लाइन में पहुंचते हो, देन यू रियलाइज दैट योर ई वॉलेट और फास्टैग बैलेंस इज लो, तो your car is not able to enter, you have to find cash, sometimes you don't have cash, pay higher amount, sometimes other cars are stuck behind you, they they push the horn, you are annoyed, more number of people are annoyed. Now you can give an auto debit mandate. When the account balance goes below 100 or 200, it will refill your FASTag account automatically, right? Getting it? तो ये वाला अपडेट हुआ है एग्जाम के लिए। इसका फुल फॉर्म आ सकता है, फास्टैग का आ सकता है, और फास्टैग को कौन सा नया यूपीआई मैंडेट के थ्रू कौन सा नया फैसिलिटी मिला है, ऑटो रेप्लेनिशमेंट। जैसे रेप्लेनिशिंगमेंट मीन्स रेप्लेनिशमेंट होता है, जैसे कैश एटीएम में कैश खत्म हो जाता है तो कैश फिर से भरा जाता है। ठीक है, if you are a public sector banker and eligible for promotions this year, then you have landed at the right channel. In last 3 years, we have produced more than 5,000 results in bank promotions exams, starting from Reserve Bank of India to SBI, PNB to IDBI Bank, Punjab and Sindh Bank to Bank of Baroda, Indian Bank to Central Bank of India, in all public sector banks. We have a dedicated course for you, and higher the scale, greater the content is. So don't miss out this opportunity to grab your promotional aspirations this year. Visit our website, check out the links in description, or WhatsApp us at the given number to connect with us. Stay prepared and wish you success this year.